So recently, I got the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon, and here we are 3D printing some very cool things for the kids. Like 3D printing's come a long way, and kids love things that you can 3D print. We got a model of a boat piece for my son, and I have this awesome Hello Kitty pop style figurine for my youngest because my other daughter wanted one in white that she could paint, but my youngest, she's not capable of painting without making a huge mess. So I did one in this awesome galaxy colorway. And as it's done, I'll have it already broken apart and shown off to you guys, and then you can see her reaction. So as you can see, this is the final print job of the Hello Kitty in a purple galaxy PLA. Maybe do some sanding along the bottom there a little bit from where the support brackets were. But apart from that, looks really good. Let's see what my little toddler thinks of it. Daddy got.
Okay, so you want to pet?
You like the kitty?